In this video, I will show you how to get your ChatGPT API key completely for free. So what you want to go and do is head over into this link, platform.openai.com/API-keys. So just gonna search this exactly right here. Then what you want to go and do is click create new secret key, and I'm using ChatGPT's free plan. I'm not paying for this, so go and click create new secret key. Then you will need to choose a project here. If you don't have a project yet, then in the top left here, click on the project, then click create project in order to create one. But just gonna pick the project here, then you can give it a name if you want. Then you can choose owned by you or service account. Then you can choose the permissions and click create secret key. And now you have your key right here. And I've actually used this to integrate to Zapier, so this actually works as an API key. But you can see right here, project API keys have replaced user API keys, so they recommend using project-based API keys for more granular control over your resources. So to do that, just click learn more, and then here you can see how you can also do that. Now this is not free, but if you want to do it for free, then you can do what I just showed you. So now you know how to get your ChatGPT API key for free. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.